The ability to customize, that's what makes Visitt stand out for us. From a management perspective, to be able to go into the system and quickly assess on one screen where we stand in terms of completing our visits, whether it be daily visits, monthly visits, reactive visits, preventive visits, that is a huge time saver for me. My name is Jill Dunlap. I am a group manager in the Richmond, Virginia market. I'm currently using the Visitt program at Gateway Plaza, which is a 330,000 square foot building. It's a Class A trophy property. I have roughly 15 properties and hoping to incorporate it at more of our sites in the future. The work order platform, the documentation platform that we were using to track all of our inspections and activities and maintenance at the building was not quite as user-friendly as we wanted it or needed it to be. The Visitt platform has simplified the day-to-day documentation piece for our engineering team. Being able to incorporate our compliance program, it's very detailed and it's very complicated. And for a long time, our engineers were doubling up on going through inspections in an online platform and then also printing out or doing a second series of data entry in an Excel sheet. They use their phones when they're out in the field, out in the building, doing the work. So they needed to be able to quickly access any systems on their phone, and it needed to be user-friendly. It can't be overcomplicated. That was really important with Visitt, the fact that everything is in the system where it needs to be. We have the ability to go in and take it. We don't need to do those extra steps. So the fact that we were able to seamlessly incorporate that into the Visitt program, that in itself is the success story for us. Visitt actually took the time to travel to us 3 times and made sure that we were getting exactly what we envisioned the system to look like. Truly made our engineering team feel important and valued. And from a management standpoint, it's exactly what I want to see. We want to know that we're getting attention. We want to know that we're valued as customers and that if something were to go wrong, we know exactly who to call and how to reach folks, which is outstanding.